Hello everyone, I'm Shriya and I'm 18 years old. 2 years back, when I was 16, I decided to do something that felt impossible. I decided to quit sugar completely out of my diet. And this thought of quitting sugar was very scary to me because since childhood I have had a huge sweet tooth. I was a kid who loved eating meetha, anything meetha, be it different kinds of sweets, kaju katli, jalebi, gulab jamun, laddu, gujia, ghevar, like the list just goes on. Or be it cakes, be it pastries, be it chocolates, be it biscuits, be it toffees, whatever. Just give me anything sweet and I'll eat it. Have you ever eaten chini ke parathe? Oh my god, I used to eat them as a child and they taste so amazing, so heavenly. But now I won't tell you guys to try it because it's not healthy. But back then I used to enjoy sugar so much. But one fine morning I decided to lose weight. I was like, I have to lose weight. And the one thing that came to my mind, the one step that came to my mind right then and there was quitting sugar. If I have to lose weight, I have to quit sugar because my sugar intake was very much. I needed sugar after every meal, like be it a chocolate ka piece or mithai ka piece. I used to crave sugar after every meal. So I decided to quit sugar by taking it slow firstly and then reducing it completely from my diet. So I told my parents that Mummy, Papa, I am going to quit sugar. And by sugar here I means the processed sugar, the added sugars, basically जो white चीनी that वो या फिर jaggery or honey, like anything that is we add on top of anything. मैंने that I quit. So I told my parents and they were like, okay, like that's a good thing. So day one I was, सब चीज़ अच्छे से हो रहा था. शाम हो गई and I have not eaten anything sweet. I was proud of myself, but शाम के कुछ 6-7 बजे it was my cousin's birthday, so उसका birthday cake, we got her birthday cake and I could not resist that. But because I was very determined, तो मैंने पूरा केक की स्लाइस नहीं खाई. I just ate 2 spoons of cakes and I was like, no, I am on a diet. I'm quitting sugar. So yeah, तो पहला दिन ये था. Second day it came, which was actually like a day one again because कल मैंने sugar खा लिया, but okay anyways. Day two and I was completely exhausted just कि मुझे sugar नहीं खानी है. I was so irritating, like I was craving for sugar so much. But still I managed to not eat anything sweet on the second day as well. ऐसा करते करते 1 week just went by and I was at that 1 week was the most difficult part of the entire journey, like the entire whole year in which I didn't eat sugar at all. That 1 week was the hardest part because that 1 week I was craving sugar like crazy. I wanted to eat after every meal. I was like अरे यार कुछ मीठा चाहिए. Like I was literally that kind of person. I became like a ghost or something, I don't know. But 1 week went by, like days passed by, and after a week or so I realized that I have started feeling a lot lighter. Like my weight was not reduced, like I was still on that weight, on a high weight, but I felt from within me very lighter and very energetic, kinda not very energetic, but yeah, I felt a little bit of energy inside me. So I was like, okay, let's just do it. I did it for like another week, so like 2 weeks went by and I didn't eat sugar, and I literally saw a drastic change, a very drastic change in my mood. I was not at as irritative, like I was not a very irritating. I was not feeling very irritating as I used before. So that my mood suddenly got better. I was feeling less fatigued during workouts. I was feeling a lot more active when, after the end of 2 weeks. And honestly, I started enjoying my life without sugar. So in these 2 weeks, I didn't eat anything sweet. I didn't drink anything sweet like chai, coffee, or any kind of cold drinks. Just I had no added sugar in my diet. Now, the real magic began from week 3 when at the end of week 3 when I completely stopped craving for sugar. Completely. Like मेरा शुगर खाने का मन ही नहीं किया. Like 3 weeks, after 3 weeks, I stopped craving for sugar completely. And this was the turning point or the game changing point in the entire journey. I don't know how it happened, what happened to my body at that time, I didn't know. But all of a sudden, even if there was something sweet in front of me, I was like, नहीं मुझे नहीं खाना है. I do not feel like मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा मीठा खाने का. Or even if it was my favorite sweet in front of me, I was not eating it because मन नहीं कर रहा था. The sweetness level, like I used to eat a lot of sweetness level, like पहले जो चीज़ मुझे बहुत मीठी चीज़ होती थी, आई यूज़ टू ईट इट वेरी हैप्पीली, मज़ा आ रहा है. बट दैट स्वीटनेस लेवल यूज़ टू फील टू स्वीट टू मी एट दैट टाइम. लाइक कितना मीठा है ये, मेरे से नहीं खाया जा रहा. सो आई यूज़ टू जस्ट टेक अ बाइट एंड आई वाज लाइक ये तो बहुत मीठा है. On cheat days, for example, like on cheat days, if I'm eating something sweet, it used to feel too sweet to me that I used to like, नहीं यार मुझे नहीं खाना, बहुत मीठा है, मेरे से नहीं खाया जा रहा. And that's how the whole game just changed, and the journey of 1 year became very very smooth to me. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल अब क्या लाइफ में से कुछ मीठा नहीं है क्या, ऐसा नहीं है. आई यूज टू ईट फ्रूट्स एवरी डे, और आई ट्राई टू ईट फ्रूट्स एवरी सिंगल डे, लाइक एटलीस्ट 1 fruit a day. तो जो स्वीटनेस का जो मेरा पोर्शन था वो उससे कंप्लीट हो जा रहा था. अदर देन दैट आई वॉज ईटिंग रोटी, आई वॉज ईटिंग चावल. सो इट वॉज नॉट लाइक कि ग्लूकोज या कार्ब्स मैं नहीं खा रही थी. लाइक इट वॉज फाइन. इट्स जस्ट द एडेड शुगर, जैगरी, हनी एंड वट एवर अदर जो भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, आई डोंट नो. वो सब चीज़ें आई स्टॉप्ड इट. एंड आफ्टर 3 weeks आई वॉज free from this addiction of sugar. Just 3 weeks. Yeah, it was an addiction. I was addicted to sugar, and I think many people, including in my own family, people are addicted to sugar, and it's very tough. It seems very tough to get out of this addiction, because yeah, it took me a month probably to actually stop craving for sugar. But once you actually stop eating sugar, first of all, the immense weight loss that I experienced after skipping sugar was tremendous. Like I could feel the weight loss. It's not just like visible, it's I could just feel it from inside. My skin became very better, and my energy levels were very improved very very much. So sugar addiction is very bad, and skipping sugar is the I think one of the best steps that ha- I did in this entire weight loss journey of mine. Now, what about now? Like 2 years now, it's been 2 years now since I have actually skipped sugar. And what about if you ask me about now? I do eat sugar now sometimes. Sometimes, for example, ice creams on cheat days, festivals and sweets, sweets and festivals, and probably cakes and birthdays sometimes. But I'm not addicted now. I know how to control myself. I know when to stop. I know that if I have to eat a particular sweet, I have to only eat it half a piece and not a full piece, या फिर एक बार में 2 piece ऐसे नहीं खाने हैं. I know, because now my body cannot handle that much of sugar. तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली रिजेक्ट कर देती है. सो आई एम लाइक ओके, जस्ट गिव मी हाफ अ पीस एंड आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट अमाउंट ऑफ स्वीटनेस. So that's how now I'm eating sugar. It's now I am able to control sugar, and the not the other way. The sugar is not controlling me now. So yeah, this was it about my journey of how I went for how a sweet tooth girl like me actually quit sugar for an entire year. And now too I am not addicted to sugar, and this is it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and yeah, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye bye.